Today we have a really cool 1972 BMW 2002tii. It's Ceylon Gold. It's got a brown velour interior with Recaro seats and matching back seats. 70,000 original miles. Quintessential BMW. Stay tuned and we'll see you out on the road.
So we got a little bit of a wet day, but our windshield wipers are working. Even got various speeds. And we are off. Getting up to speed. Show you why this 2002 is a car that everybody loved, still loves, just as classic today as they have been their entire lives, pretty much. They were always in style. We're gonna let it warm up. Stay tuned, and we will be back to you shortly. Here we are in our stretch of farm road. The defroster works. We got rid of all the fog on the dashboard. It does have factory AC, which is pretty cool. Nice option. All the lights work. All the gauges are working. It's got an aftermarket Pioneer radio and a slew of aftermarket gauges over here, all functioning. Vent windows work. It's got a crank-operated sunroof. Turn our wipers back on. 70,000 original miles, so relatively low mileage, and we'll say it's a pretty cool color combo. The Ceylon Gold over the brown interior. Very 70s. Here we are on our nice curvy road, which this car was really meant for. Known to handle really well. Nice acceleration. Very comfortable ride, especially in these Recaro seats. But really not a whole lot to say because of, how nice the car is. For all those that are wondering, yes, the turn signals are on the right side of the steering column, not the left side, so it can be a bit confusing, but you get used to it. Does have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, 4-speed manual transmission. While not quite the Autobahn, our farm road will do just nicely for a little stint at some higher speeds. Show you the stability of the car. Still handles nice and brakes nicely. Every time you drive it. Check us out, autosportdesigns.com.